he doesn't have to
Chance.
perform as well as he does in Pennsylvania. Georgia,
Chance.
come back. But again, you're going to get 72,
Chance.
73, perhaps 75% of the vote here.
Why don't you look at me?
The turnout
My hands are
being
washed.
for most people
Chance.
in Nevada participation. But this is it. This is most. If a Democrat can run up the lead here, that's what Hillary Clinton did. If you come back 4 years
Show
ago,
everybody how cute
you
you
run
are.
up the lead here, 52
Say hello.
to 42. If you look at that, 52 to 42, then you're looking at 53 to 45 now. Again, the president percentage is higher than Hillary Clinton, but
Say,
no
I'm
third
going
party
on
candidate.
TV.
You're seeing the more it's definitely a two-candidate race here. But if Joe Biden can stay at 53, moving up
Holly,
a
you
little
want to
bit,
be on TV?
dial up a little bit in Clark County.
We're going to be
You stay there in
live.
Clark County, given that it's 70% of the vote, you're most likely going to win the state.
And let's take a look at Arizona
Say
right now,
hello.
too, because we're still waiting for more numbers to come in from Arizona.
You
As you
don't want
point
that?
out, the Biden's lead actually a bit has shrunken.
Yeah, we can show you that if you want to go back in time and take a look at it.
I'm downloading you to
We'll bring this out for
YouTube.
you to see. Let me punch up
You're
Arizona,
going on
make
my
sure I'm in the
channel.
right place. This